Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Tom and today we're on a slightly different location. We're here on my allotment because we're going to make a wonderful garden salad with a herb vinaigrette. All ingredients will be picked here. We're going to make it at home, so let's get on with it. Alright, that's all ingredients acquired, so it's time to go home, make a tasty little salad. Begin by washing everything. You will also need to make the herb vinaigrette. Salad assembly. So there we have it, that's my garden salad made completely from ingredients from my allotment. Now if you want to try something like this at home yourself, just use whatever's available to you, either from your garden or from the local supermarket. Obviously make sure it is edible before you just start cutting random leaves from your garden. Now I just want to take the opportunity to thank everyone that's subscribed so far. I've had a little boost in subscribers. It makes me feel amazing, it makes me want to keep making these videos for you. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video.